Today we're testing Async. It's an AI-powered video editor where you can create and edit videos through chat. The idea is simple: turn your raw footage into polished videos without working through a complex timeline. Let's go in. So first you go on async.com. Here we have an overview about the tool. As you can see, you can create and edit videos effortlessly by chatting with AI. You don't need any technical experience here. If we scroll down a bit, we see some examples. You can see we have also a real-time text-to-speech with multilingual AI voices. Let's just try it. Let's see Aurelia.
Once upon a time, in a village nestled between two mountains, a little girl named Ilara discovered a key that shimmered with stardust.
This is already astonishing. It's like a real person, as you can hear. She's breathing in between the sentences. Very nice. You can also do like make a call. Let's try Isla here.
Thank you for calling Horizon Internet Support. My name is Maya. How can I assist you today? If you experience this issue again, feel free to contact us directly at 1-800-555-8234, available 24/7.
Crazy good. You have different voices to choose from, like a UK accent, US. Very nice. But let's get back to our main focus here, video creating and editing. Just hit get started. After signing up, you come to this page here. Here you are in your workspace. You have different features like AI clips, text-to-speech, AI transcription, subtitles, and so much more. Let's try something. Generate me a video about a red-haired woman in the 20s, sitting in a metro, holding a smartphone and talking to her boyfriend. Hit submit. He's now analyzing the prompt, gathering all information he needs. He's also automatically opened the video editor here. On the left we have our chat. We can now just sit back and relax while he's generating the introduction for the video. On the left you have the introduction, like he wants to use the model View 3.1 text to video. The resolution 1080p. They used credits for it. The scene, it's exactly that what we want. We can now generate it or see the available models. Async offers so many top models here. If we scroll down a bit, we see Kling 3.0 Pro, Kling 01, or the Seedance 2.0 top model here. Very nice. Let's try it. Use Seedance 2.0 text to video, hit submit. He has now edited the introduction. As you can see, he's now using Seedance 2.0 fast text to video model. Let's hit generate. And a minute later we have the final video, as you can see here. Let's look at it.
You'd better.
I'll be right there.
Okay.
Cinematic quality, lip sync is good, even there is no much dialogue, but it's fine. Exactly that what we wanted, a red hair woman. Very nice. We can now just drag and drop it here and we have it in our video editor. We can now customize things here like the length. We can add visuals, add audio, voices, text, or like subtitles. Let's try it. We can select the spoken language here. It's English, and just hit generate auto subtitles. And as you can see, 1 second later we have the subtitle. Let's play it.
You'd better.
I'll be right there.
Okay.
It's just perfect. We had to do nothing here and it's just working. Nice. If we click on the video on the right, we can also change some things like the audio volume, the color, the speed. We have also a AI zoom. Let's try it. Click on add manually. We can now shift it here like this. Let's see.
You'd better.
I'll be right there.
As you can see on the bottom here, we can change the timing like this one. He should zoom in and zoom out.
You'd better.
It's working great. Let's delete it again. We can now live edit it here. As you can see on the left here, we have selected our video. It's presenting here, working with the selected item. Change the hair color of the woman to black. Don't edit anything else. Hit enter. On the left we have again the introduction. He wants to use Kling 03 edit video. Red hair to black hair. Hit generate. It's so easy. Async does everything automatically. We can customize in each step here before he even generates the video. Now we just sit back and relax and watch the result. And it's finished. Let's look at it.
You'd better.
I'll be right there.
Nice! So now we want to edit the video more with prompts. We have removed the audio pauses in the video and give me the final video. And as you can see, he removed the audio. And let's see.
You'd better.
I'll be right there.
Okay.
He just did it perfectly. The silence in the middle of the video is removed. He adjusted the subtitles automatically. Very nice, no video editing skills needed, just prompting. Here another example. We want now the eye correctness, so the girl is looking towards the camera, not the smartphone.
You'd better.
I'll be right there.
Okay.
Also that is just perfectly, the eye is corrected, nothing else is changed in the video, just the eye contact to the camera as we wanted. We can do that all by just prompting, without any editing skills, without any video software. Amazing. Here another example for video editing. We have this red ball bouncing down wooden stairs and we want a green ball instead. Let's look at it. Exactly that what we wanted, a green ball, nothing changed on the scene itself. Good job Async. Back at the workspace we try another feature, the AI translation and dubbing. We can upload a video or just paste the YouTube link. So we have another video of a red-haired woman in a metro talking a bit more than before.
Oh, that's wonderful news. I'm so glad to hear that. Yes, absolutely. I think that's the perfect approach. All right, I'll talk to you soon then. Take care.
We want the target language German. We don't want to remove the background audio. We want to adjust the lip sync. Hit start dubbing. On the bottom we see he's processing it now. And he's finished. Let's open it, play it.
Oh, das sind wunderbare Neuigkeiten. Das freut mich sehr zu hören. Ja, absolut. Ich denke, das ist der perfekte Ansatz. Alles klar, dann hören wir uns bald. Mach's gut.
As a German native speaker, it's just perfect. The lip sync is on point. The translation is perfect. Exactly that what we wanted. Nice. We can also download it here. Next, we look at the AI thumbnails feature. Let's start from scratch. Let's try the minimalist here. We want bold all caps. We can add visuals here. We have a prompt of a product called IG headset on the top of the thumbnail. The creator in the image listening to the music with headset, calm vibe, enjoying the music. We hit analyze assets. We can choose now a concept he is analyzed for us, like mind-blowing audio quality shock, shocked by next-gen audio performance. Let's try the mind-blowing audio quality shock. Hit continue. And as we can see, we have 4 different thumbnails here. Exactly what the concept says. We have the IG headset brand name, we have the poor bliss, our character perfectly put in scene in different camera angles, working perfectly, very nice. Another feature, the AI Reframe feature. It's a smart crop for any aspect ratio. Let's upload the video from before. We can make a 9:16 for TikTok, Instagram. Let's reframe it. And here we have the result. Let's look at it.
Oh, that's wonderful news. I'm so glad to hear that. Yes, absolutely. I think that's the perfect approach. All right, I'll talk to you soon then. Take care.
There's also a camera control in it. As you can see here, it moves a bit, perfectly centered our character in the scene. Awesome! If you liked Async, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.